Hello Ray, are you ready to hear something about my gears? Okay, I have first time I try this gear section because usually the first thing people ask when I have a hiking video is the gears, what kind of gears I have been using and why. So now I start with the rain gears. And the reason is now I live in Finland obviously, and to be more specific, I live in the southwest Finland, and this is the warmest place of Finland. It's good thing in the summer we have a really warm long summer. It's great, but the downside is that we have a really crappy winter here. For example, now it's December. My wife is working in the Ruka. It's in the East Finland, near in Lapland, and they had 60 centimeter of snow there, and here is 0. So it's raining almost all the time. It's really wet and it's really dark because of the wet climate. And the ground is wet, the forest is really dark, and the city of course also. When you have the snow, the light is reflecting from the snow and it's much more light. And this time of the year is usually really difficult for the Finnish people, especially here in the south, because we have to live with the darkness, with the moistness, stuff like that. And a lot of people doesn't go hiking or doing any outdoor things because the weather is so terrible here. But actually in the rain, it's one of the nicest times to be hiking or in the outdoor, having a day trip, whatever, because the forest is really beautiful. It's so different when it's raining, and you can smell a lot of things when it's really gray and like mist. It's really magical. We have in Finland a lot of swamps and a spruce forest, and they look so magical when it's raining. So I encourage you, especially if you live in Finland, that go testing the forest when it's raining. And the only thing what you need when it's raining is also of course the proper rain gears. And these days it's really easy to find rain gears because we have all the Gore-Tex and the similar cell fabrics, and yeah, you have so many options. Of course the vesting costs a lot of money, but anyway, let's not go there too much. I introduce my rain set. I usually use a lot of different setups when I'm hiking. It depends of what kind of trip I'm having. So I make so many different kind of outdoor trips. But now I have the usual kit is to having this my Exped 45, Exped Lightning. This is 45-liter backpack. I can use this in summertime 2 weeks. When it's colder, maybe 1 week trips or something. But anyway, what I want from rain gears is obviously it have to keep the water out, so it have to be rainproof or waterproof. And with the shell jacket it means like 20,000 millimeter water column value if you're using backpack. And I want that to be durable. I don't want to change my rain jacket every year or something like that, every after trip, because it's not ecological. It's not sustainability, and of course I don't want my gears to break down in the middle of the wilderness. I want then the number 3 is to having it lightweight, so it have to keep these two first, and the number 3 is having as light as possible. And of course it's always about the money. So I have been testing a new set of things, and I bought this. I can put the link in the description. It's everything I bought with my own suspicious money. But for example, these are new, are Mittens. This is ripstop nylon or Dynema or something. The seams are not taped, but this keeps the water really nicely out of my hand. I can put some warm gloves inside here, and the main thing is usually this is windproof, so I can use this when hiking in the mountains. Yeah, that is new. And but the main thing and the biggest thing of this all is this rain skirt. As you can see, I can have a fast access to my rain gears. If it's raining, I can take it really fast and also put it back really fast. Sometimes when you're hiking, you're really lazy, and if you have a little bit rain, you don't want to put the rain gears on because it's too difficult to take them. But yeah, this is the rain skirt. Really beautiful, suits me. Day. Yeah, I really love it. It looks so cool. And yeah, I can tell you a little bit later why I chose that and not the rain pants, because I can tell you that rain pants are usually quite expensive, and that is much cheaper. And then I have usually my backpack. I have my shell jacket back here. I could take it away from here, but there's no point, because when I have to put it on, I have to take anyway my backpack out of my back. So I usually have it on here, so it's really fast to take it. And also because I have only 45-liter backpack, something have to go outside. So here is my shell jacket. Nothing like special about this. This is not 3-layer jacket. It's a little bit heavier, bigger, bulky one, but it's really durable. It's always waterproof. It's Haglöfs Astral jacket. Yeah, that's mainly. Oh yeah, then I have Gaiters. Of course, I don't have it in here. I don't know where my gears are. This is so messed up. Everything is. I have to organize my gear room. But okay, I have Gaiters. They're not waterproof, but they're like water repellent, so they keep the water out of my pants. And then I have Gore-Tex shoes. And sometimes I don't use Gore-Tex shoes. Sometimes I use trail running shoes, and I just let them get wet. And it's okay when it's warm, but now when it's a little bit colder, that's not so nice. So in the fall time I use the Gore-Tex shoes. But yeah, this is my new series, could you say? And yeah, welcome to my gear thing. Okay, hello my friends, and it's time to test our rain gears. It's good to test the gears near home, not in the wilderness. So I have a new set what I'm going to use. In top I have my shell jacket, of course. I can close this and put my beautiful beard. Usually it's between the zipper, but yeah, good shell jacket. Gore-Tex 2-layer jacket. It has like 25,000 millimeter water column, so it's also with the backpack waterproof. Then I have my rain skirt. It's really lightweight. I can actually show you. This goes to small place. This is ripstop Dynamo. So I can actually put this, for example, to the hip belt of the backpack in the pocket here, and it's really fast to put on when I'm hiking. Also, what I like with this rain skirt is that it's easy to move with this one, really fast to put on, just one zipper, little bit fixing, it's on. I can move a lot and it breathes underneath here. And under the skirt I have the Gaiters, and then I have the waterproof GTX shoes, Gore-Tex shoes. So yeah, like this I should be waterproof. In my bag I have everything in the dry bag, so I feel really agile, not so sweaty, and it's a little bit raining. We should get more rain, so it would be a nice test how it really works in the real life.
Swamp area. It's just 11 kilometers from our home, and it's just next to a big highway, and on the other side there's the Turku airport, and it's really nice area. This is our first time here, and really nice swamp, and it's really wet here. It's been raining 2 weeks, but I like it. If you are well equipped, there's no problem.